place here. Now a spell to remove that smile from your pretty face.
If you think I'm funny, you should look in the mirror. Whoa! Move it! I'm on a roll! Here comes
Happy Halloween! If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.